Alternative 1. Down is a powerful yet easy-to-use browser extension for Firefox, Chrome and Opera that adds new advanced download capabilities to your browser. Down lets you download all the links or images contained in a web page and much more. You can refine your downloads by fully customizable criteria to get only what you really want. Alternative 2. Free Download Manager FDM accelerates downloads by splitting files into sections and then downloading them simultaneously. In addition, Free Download Manager allows you to adjust traffic usage, organize downloads, control file priorities for torrents, efficiently download large files and resume broken downloads. Alternative 3. Extreme Download Manager. Extreme Download Manager is a powerful tool to increase download speed up to 500%, resume broken, dead downloads, capture FLV videos from any site and schedule downloads. Extreme Download Manager uses sophisticated dynamic segmentation algorithm, data compression and connection reuse to speed up the download process. Extreme Download Manager supports HTTP, HTTPS and FTP protocols, firewalls, proxy servers, file redirects, cookies, authorization, etc. Alternative 4. JDownloader. JDownloader is a free, open-source download manager. It simplifies and improves the process of downloading files from websites, cloud storage providers, social media networks and file hosting sites. JDownloader offers downloading in multiple parallel streams, throttling, resuming, capture recognition, and automatic file extraction. It supports click and load and container files like DLC, RSDF and CCF. Alternative 5. EagleGet is a free all-in-one download manager. It supports HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, MMS and RTSP protocol as well as popular online video websites. EagleGet can be integrated to Chrome, i.e., Firefox, Opera, and uses multi-threaded technology to boost downloads. EagleGet has many advantages compared to other similar products. For example, EagleGet has ad-free video sniffer, and EagleGet is the first freeware download manager that supports automatic refresh expired download links. Alternative 6. UGet is a lightweight and full-featured download manager for Linux and Windows. UGet allows you to download in multiple parallel streams for download acceleration, put files in a download queue, pause and resume downloads, advanced category management, browser integration, clipboard monitoring, batch downloads, localized into over 25 languages, and many more features. Alternative 7. Internet Download Accelerator effectively solves 3 of the biggest problems when downloading files: speed, resuming broken downloads, and management of downloaded files. Internet Download Accelerator lets you to noticeably increase the speed of. Alternative 8. FlashGet is a leading download manager and has the highest amount of users on the internet. It uses MHT technique, supports various protocols and has excellent document management features.